Let's first get you updates in the Badlapur sexual assault case. FIRs have been registered against at least 1,500 people and over 50 people have been arrested for the violence related to Tuesday's protests over a school sexual abuse case in Maharashtra's Badlapur. Railway track was blocked, train movement was stopped and angry protesters went on a rampage, hurling stones at police personnel and resorting to vandalism inside the school. Protesters alleged that there was a delay in police action even in a heinous crime such as this. After massive outrage over the incident, an SIT has been formed to probe the matter and the accused's custody has been extended till 26th of August. Though Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has promised capital punishment in the case, there is no end to politics over the incident. However, CM Shinde also claimed that the protests were politically motivated and aimed at maligning the state government. MVA has also called for a Maharashtra Bandh on 24th of August and drawn a BJP link to the case. Aghadi alleged that there was a delay in filing an FIR in the case as the owner of the school had close links to the BJP. Listen into the political war of words.
Crime against women in any part of the country, whether it's a BJP ruled state or a Congress ruled state or non-Congress, non-BJP, is a crime against half this country's population. And the BJP cannot see crime against women through its political prism. Why is the BJP quiet on Badlapur? I mean, minor people, minor girls have been raped. Why is the BJP quiet there? Internet has been switched off there. But according to reports that are coming out of Badlapur, the journalist who broke the story is today being harassed, is today being intimidated by the Shinde Sena members. And the reality also is that the government apparently sat on this case for almost a week because they had to launch a scheme. Is this the way you're going to make our women secure? Where is NCPCR? Where is NCW today?
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र में और क्या हो सकता है? अगर एक पब्लिक क्राई हुआ है बलात्कार के खिलाफ, दो छोटी बच्चियां हैं जिनको समझ में नहीं कि हमारे साथ कौन सा घिनौना अपराध किया है, और उस लड़की को प्रोटेक्शन देने के बजाय न्याय मांगने के लिए जो लोग सड़क पर उतरे हैं, आप उनके खिलाफ आपराधिक मामले दायर करते हो। सबसे पहली बात है, ये क्यों हुआ? जिस संस्था में ये हुआ, ये संस्था किसकी है? आप ढूंढ लीजिए। अगर ये कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ जुड़ी हुई संस्था होती, हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई संस्था होती, तो यही देवेंद्र जी उनका पूरा महिला महामंडल लेकर वहां जाकर 24 घंटे अनशन पर बैठ तमाशा करते, बहुत बड़ी नौटंकी करते। अभी कहाँ है सब लोग? लोग इसलिए सड़क पर उतरे हैं क्योंकि पुलिस स्टेशन पर उनका अपराध दाखिल नहीं कर रहे थे, लोग FIR लॉन्च नहीं कर रहे थे, दबाव में थे पुलिस। किसका दबाव था पुलिस के ऊपर? ये बता सकते हैं गिरीश महाजन, ये बता सकते हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, ये बता सकते हैं राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री, किसका दबाव था?
आणि क्राईम अगेन्स्ट विमेन म्हणजे महिलांच्या विरोधात होणारे या सगळ्या ज्या घटना आहेत त्या प्रचंड महाराष्ट्रात वाढताना दिसत आहेत। मी बदलापूरला आणि महाराष्ट्रात किंवा देशात कुठेही अशी जी घटना होते त्याचा जाहीर निषेध एक समाज म्हणून आपण सगळे करतो। विषय अतिशय संवेदनशील आहे, पण ज्या पद्धतीने तो हाताळला गेला हे अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे। काल जेव्हा लोक रस्त्यावर उतरले तेव्हा या सरकारला जाग आली।
Congress MP Praniti Shinde fanned political fire further with the provocative comments. She said that the protests that took place were subdued and that people should have set things on fire.
विकृत मानसिकता है लोगों में बाहर आ रही है क्योंकि सत्ता में जो है वो इसका समर्थन कर रहे हैं।
आज प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था वहाँ पे,
मैं तो कह रही हूँ प्रोटेस्ट तो बहुत सभ्य था, वहाँ पे तो आग लगानी चाहिए थी।
लाठीचार्ज की गई।
देखिए यही है ये जो सत्ताधारी, हम तो DCM जो होम मिनिस्टर है उनका रेजिग्नेशन मांग रहे हैं। जो लड़कियों के लिए आते हैं उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज की जाती है।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India, creating pathways of self-reliance, to stand for progress, the planet and the people, towards a future made perfect and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.